Hello there, today I show you my cross hatching sketch Photoshop action, how to use it and custom it. There is the result previously apply result and others on. See the direction, you can change the movement and controlling freehand working possible. See the quality is great, you can change the color very easily. We have set up the color changer, another one and another one. Simply open your photo in Photoshop and load our script and materials, then brush your photography in new layer and brush layer, then apply script. This is the result. Another one, we have used better quality photo, then result is too good show the color variation. See the original quality, all are HD quality output, the faded color option and black and white and the pinkish and black and white. See, now I show you how to use it and custom it. Okay, first go my download file, there is show our script cross hatching sketch Photoshop action and cover file, help file and pattern file. We need to load pattern first, and this is the supporting information. You can join our support live support via anydex if needed. If you don't know how to use the product, or you have a face any trouble in your PC or computer software, so you can just join our anydex, message WhatsApp number or Facebook fan page Samurai Studio, and fix the time and live support join. This is help file, how to use written format, some information, image size, you can use any size of image, any high resolution size, and there is our supporting information, written format, and how to use written format. See, okay, now first load the pattern. How to load pattern, select and double click, it's loaded Photoshop, or you can load manually. For make sure, go window and pattern option, click. Now pattern toolbar show and the more option, this three option icon, and input pattern and find out my download file cross hatching sketch Photoshop action. Go there and show their pattern file and select and load button, click. Now it's loaded your Photoshop, and go window and action option, click. Then action plate maybe show the right side, I have settled it left side for your better understanding purpose. Okay, this is the layer panel. If not the show, go window and layer option, click, then layer panel show. Okay, so we need to load our script. This more option, action and more option, click and load action button. Now go my download file there and cross hatching sketch, select and load button, click. This one is the folder and this one is the script. All in on play action, play me. Up and down option, if not the show this position, is just last one, the last loaded action folder, and this is the script. Now I have open my photography. You can use your photography, but make sure the photography is a good quality, sharp, neat and clean. Do not use the blurry image, like face is blurry and face is low resolution image, then result not show in our preview. Okay, the crop file, I need to make some space for sketching, showing purpose, and the left side and the right side and the left side and bottom side. So my space is done, and I have OK button, click. Now is okay, and make sure your photography is a RGB color mode. If not, then go image mode and RGB color, click, and make sure your photography is a 8-bit channel. If not, just click there. If show any message, click OK button. And make sure your photography is a lock icon show and background name is background. Sometimes some photography look like a transparent photography and layer 0 format, that is not accept our script. Our script show the error result. If your photography transparent PNG or layer 0 format show, you need to fix it. How to fix it? Must be do this. Right button click and fit an option. Now it's set a lock background layer. Okay, make sure lock icon show and background name is background. Now we want to select our area. So go selection and subject button click, then select your photography auto. Just wait and see, and create a new layer. You can use any other tool, just fill up the new layer, fill up the masking purpose, the new layer option. Okay, create a new layer and double click the new layer text option, BRUSS. Brush all are small letter, do not include any other character, space, hyphen, comma or uppercase, lowercase mix up character. Only BRUSS lowercase all character. This spelling include our help file. Spelling is very important. Okay, and I have clicked the others area. Now name is fixed, and this time if you want to full of area, then you can use pin bucket tool. Just pick up, or if you want to only protect, I have undo use now. So then you can use the brush tool, but this time I need to portrait, and click the color picker box and select any light color, and make sure you select the brush layer, and now brushing the area, only portrait area. Okay, see, now my brushing is finished in portrait area, and selection mode is on. If the selection mode is on and you play the script make the error result, you need to first deselect, selection and deselect. Make sure deselect option. If you use the pen tool, selection and fill up the brush layer, then you need to delete path and also deselect the selection. Okay, but I recommend use as it is, as I show. Okay, now I have brush layer select, and all in on play action play me select and hit the play button. But I want to check out the image size. For my time saving purpose, you can use any high resolution image. This time I have typed there 300 pixel in any of site, the link up, then auto your photography is size change. So I have 300, this is the standard size, and OK button click. Now I have used, hit the play button and it's start working. So why I change the image size, because of if I use the more large size, extra large size image, then a script needs some time, result come out time, extra time needed. So this purpose I have used standard size is 300 pixel and 3500 pixel and 2500 pixel, or you can use 200 pixel. This is the default message, finishing message, hello there, action is done of working now. Okay, now you can custom, there is more layer, unmute, you just view the layer. Okay, so there is a more layer is unmute, we have set up more option, and see the result, our default result I show you, wait and see. And how to control it, and drawing, you can freehand drawing there. If you have a iPad or others facility for pen, you can drawing easily. They are the top position in line art. Okay, now I show you the full area. See the quality, HD quality output, and looking is very professional and high quality, but depend your photography, fully depend your photography, because your photography is the is a perfect photography, then the look quality is perfect. Okay, See the hatching is very nice. You can controlling hatching and shading everything. So now I show you this one how to custom, but this time I try another photography how it's look, and then I show you the customization. Okay, but there is the offer for our customer. Visit our site www.photoshopaction.net. This is our on-site, and we have sell our product, our store, and all our product now single product for 40% discount going on. You can download our all product in 40% discount in flash sale option, and a bundle offer 99% discount available. See the 99% discount this bundle, and there is more bundle option you can check out available, and you need to free file. You can download free file section or home page, and there is the free file section, so you can visit this browse all item, and there is the Photoshop action page, free file graphics, other graphics option, and our flash sale. You can check out the flash sale and feature item, free item, new release, so everything you can check there, and download our file in Creative Market shop MRI Studio. Visit MRI Studio for Creative Market. There is our all product is available, 3 license module. Also our site is 3 license module available, personal, commercial, and extended license. So if you thinking with business in Etsy or others market or Fiverr in digital painting solution, use our product, so you can buy extended license. Okay, and download our file in graphics river. There is the QC product. You like to download QC product, so there is the all product are QC product, and we have worked there 13 years, so it's very hard. And our visit our YouTube channel for video. This is the free file video, and the download link is this video include. Okay, now I back to my tutorial, and now I have opened another photography like this one, and see my photography is very nice, and everything is perfect, shading and darkening, everything is perfect. Okay, and now I have crop tool select and top up the crop tool in top position, left right position is perfect. Now I have move tool select, and image size I have changed the size now 2500 for more fast working purpose, and is RGB color mode already. If not, then check out RGB color 8-bit channel, and there is the layer lock icon show, and background name is background. So I have go selection, shortcut way to select your photography. Subject button click. Now it's auto select your photography. Okay, and create a new layer and double click new layer, text option, type there brush, and click others area, and you can select pinned bucket tool. This time I have need to full area, not portrait only, and highlight color. Pin bucket tool you can select. Okay, and fill up it, and deselect, and all in on select, and hit the play button. Now start working. So fully custom possible. Just wait and see, and color changing possible. Now is first loading. You can check out our help file. There we have some size mentioned, stop message for finishing message. See the quality. Now I show you how to custom it. See, it's look great, fully professional. Okay, now I introducing every layer and custom everything. first this one show. Okay, and this is the background option. You can check out the background anytime. See, the looking. So this time is dark to show. You can adjust very easily this adjustment. Okay, you can use this adjustment. So you can use this adjustment, and this time I have not used this adjustment, and another color mode, and also you can change the color very easily. Double click this color option, and a toolbar, color toolbar is show. See, and you can color any color, you can replace very easily. See, color tone is changed now, and just OK button. This is the not only way, all over area color changing option is included. Wait and see, I show you. Just OK button click. Okay, and hide this one. And this is the another photography style, photo effect style. You can view this one, and another looking there is show. See, and there is a shade option. You can use the shade, and this is the sketch. The two sketch is there, and this one is adjustment. Sorry. And this is the photography, real color tone needed. You can use this photo color real 3. Okay, see the color option now show. And this is the extra color added. You can use this one, extra color for original color, then it's a highlight more color, then you can use this one. Okay, but this time I think do not need this one, and this one I just show you. I'm black and white version I prefer. And this is the extra top stroke option. See, and you can drawing yourself this position. Okay, and others, all are others. This is the photo effect. You can check this folder, and paper option, you can add the paper. See, if you use the paper, then effect is look like a darkish mode, or you can adjust, use this adjustment if the darkish look is show more. And there is the extra separation sketch, so you can view and unview, then you understand the which one is this layer. See, and there is the color changer. There is the color changer. You can use the color changer. Click this one and double click this one, and you can change the color. You can move. See the color looking, so you can use all color there is the available, and extra photography and adjustment. You can use this adjustment. See, you can download this product, our own shop and creative market shop, MRI Studio. Download link include my video description. Check out the video description for download link. Thanks for watching this video and purchase this product. If you need any kind of help, you can join our Facebook fan page and our WhatsApp number and message me.